TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN Headline News Update.
Good morning, everyone. Basil Chapman on this. Oops, I've got an echo. Let me just get rid of that. Sorry. Definitely. Okay, there we are. So here we are on this Wednesday, the 17th of December. The Dow is up 228 at 10 o'clock, 48,338. It's doing very nicely, walking the 9-period exponential moving average. The S&P actually started to pull back quite sharply. It's coming back a little bit now. It's down 384 at 67.96. The QQQ Index 100 trying to rally, but it's a little weak now, down $1.32 at 610.40. We've got the IWM, the Russell 2000, up $1.73. This, like the Dow, is also acting very well, 251.57 right now. Gold has been up, and it's actually almost at the high of the day at 43.70, up 38. Silver is actually even better. Silver is trading up 276 at an all-time high at 66.07. Crude oil is up 55 cents, and this is with the fears of oil perhaps going higher. No, oil's going lower, 55.85. That is interesting. Bonds. There we go. The bonds are trading down 330 seconds, not going anywhere really. We'll be watching this very closely. But what I do want to look at here is the did that. I think the SMHs right at this particular moment is very important because they're pulling back down 230 at 349.56. They're lagging somewhat. That's a little bit of a concern. So you've got selective rallying, and you've got some selective selling. And that's going to be very important as we go into Friday's close, because this is a pretty critical week in terms of all-time highs made last week in some areas, fading in others, and now we're going to see what's left for this particular week it's the last week, next week of the year. So it's going to be fascinating to see how we play that out. Meantime, back at the ranch, I did my webinar last night for subscribers to my opening call, managed to do everything I wanted, so I'm very pleased about that. And we'll see exactly what happens at the end of the day today, because the Dow is up quite nicely, up to 215, and the S&P is down 5. So you've got this divergence, bifurcated market. I'll be back in a moment for the Tiger Technicians Hour. Lots to discuss. See you in a few minutes.